Before you scroll to the next one, 10 innovative marketing strategies using virtual reality for global brands. Virtual stores. Make sure you make a store inside VR and see the difference. Virtual product demos. Imagine your customer trying your product before they buy it. VR events. Hold the next one in the Metaverse and you'll see what I'm talking about. VR storytelling. Captivate the audience using a story, your brand's message using VR. VR training. Train your customer, give them a walkthrough. VR customer service. Have a Metaverse dedicated for customer service. VR tours. Well, it's a no-brainer. VR design spaces. Imagine designing a space, designing a product with your customer even before they buy. BTL Activations. Make a game, make an experience inside VR which reinforces your brand. And lastly, social VR. Have one in Roblox, have one in Fortnite, and many others coming up.